Hello, I'm Julie Chao and I'm here to help you grow your skills, boost your career and expand your knowledge in and around the document control profession. Registrations for the live online training courses that we announced in May 2020 are now open. Watch this video, find out more. The COVID-19 pandemic is causing massive disruptions to traveling and gathering at the moment, but we won't let it stop us from promoting document control best practices worldwide. That's why we are pleased to announce that during the disruptions caused by the pandemic, we will be offering all our face-to-face courses, including the certified courses, in a live online format, with cutting-edge technology and a whole new approach to training courses and certification. All dates for the live online options are now published on our website. On conceptis.com, go to Training Courses, select the course you wish to attend, and you will be able to see the dates for the live online delivery right there. The time of each session has been optimized for a certain region of the world. However, nothing prevents you from attending a given session if you are not within the optimized region. We give you examples of start time and end time for each session in different time zones. Registrations are open already. Register in advance as seats are limited. To register, go to the contact page of our website, select Register to a course, and follow the step-by-step instructions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.